What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video and daily report of how sick I am. I don't feel the worst. My voice still sucks, but I don't feel horrible. I'd say it's probably around the same as yesterday. Whatever. Gotta do a couple things today. Gotta stop at the old shop. Gotta pick up some stuff. Gotta make sure nothing's going on over there. Clean up a little bit. Well, that sucks. I thought Tractor Supply would have had it, but I'm trying to get Walmart. Doubt this heavily. Not exactly the heater I wanted. I wanted to get one of the ones that's like, it's like the pot heater. It's like a cylinder, propane underneath it. But whatever, works for me. It says like 6,000 to 8,000 BTUs, so that paired with my little air mover, I should be pretty good. Especially considering the fact that like heat rises, I'm probably gonna be able to leave it on the lowest setting and still be comfortable enough to edit and whatnot on the loft and work down there. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab a propane tank and then I'm gonna head to the shop. Well, I just pushed this in here and then saw that, so that's a little weird. That wasn't there before. Well, that's really all I can get today. I want to minimize driving the van in case that noise is the turbo. I'm sure it'll be fine to go back to the shop and then park it, but I don't want to like drive it back and forth. So just gotta arrange how I'm gonna get these two cars to the shop, and at the same time I can get these two, and then the day after, whatever, I can come here and get, well, actually, if I'm taking 2 trips, it's probably gonna be with a truck. So if I could take 2 trips with a truck, I could fill the bed of the truck with like the rest of this stuff. To get these cots, definitely keeping those cots. So I got a table and whatnot back there, and the heater, TV, bunch of other stuff here, the stuff here. Car is freaking packed. What's this piece of shit?
What's happening?
What are you doing to this?
Rear wheel bearing and 2 brand new Bilstein shocks.
Bilstein shocks?
Yeah, for the rear.
Fucking floor over here. You see your subs?
Yeah.
It's only been like 4 hours. No, 5 hours? No, not even
like
5
the
hours.
first 20 minutes was like 140 people. I was like, holy shit.
Hey, fucking mint. So yeah, he also has this. He wants to LS swap it, which will be a massive improvement from the freaking rear timing chain engine that this thing has. I mean, they sound cool though.
That sounds good.
But yeah, got a bunch of shit in my car I gotta take out, but I'm not doing that until after the friggin' thingamabobs are done. Hello. Okay. Holy shit, it's not bolt. Screw. Okay, well, I got all these blankets. Over here, paper tough, very nice. I bought all of them that were at Walmart. So, to make an insulate, I will put them in across. Not bad, alright? Still got 2 more. Probably gonna do the bottom. There's like a pretty decent hole over there that I want to fill in. But you know, for some $5 blankets, benefits being there is now an air pocket behind it. No, they're not completely sealed, but it will hold the heat in a lot better than bare tin. So, air pocket plus blanket, good. Okay, so I haven't really filmed much because this isn't really stuff you like film. But what you said, we're just doing 8.5 by 10.
I was just drawing. Don't pay attention to that.
I was just drawing. There's like 9 different fucking measurements on it.
All right, I fucked up. All right.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's better now.
You didn't fucked up. You didn't fucked up because I didn't have to buy more wood. We're good. Even if I had to buy more wood, it's like 20 bucks.
I cut once. I got the wood stretcher, and now we're good.
We're mint and nice. Very good. I'll get back to you guys with something else later.
Yeah. What happened?
Oh. The shit died. Ronnie built the whole string. Both strings Ronnie built. Cut. Specialty tool. And now I am screw guy. That's it. Okay, here's the freaking stairs, guys. Look at that. Fucking stairs. Ronnie did all the stairs.
The strings.
All the strings, yeah. Ronnie baked all the strings. And I crafted all of the knees. Beautiful. Originally, I just was like, I thought we were just gonna do like, put 2 pieces of wood and I was just gonna put like sandwich the stairs. How's it feel?
It feels like it's OSHA approved and to code in every city ever.
You think so?
No.
Why? They're not wide enough?
Correct. No, they're plenty wide. This is perfect. It's 2 code. Don't worry. We built them 2 code. Okay? Okay.
Fucking 903. My guys.
Yeah?
Focus.
Dope.
1006, dude. Hell yeah. We're out here.
That's awesome.
Now, fucking focus, you cunt camera. There we go. Eligible for monetization almost. We just gotta get the watch time almost there. And we're freaking mint. We just been lifting this here couches. I just took a break from moving the couch to the corner to be like, yo, yeah, fucking 1,000 subs guy.
Sweet.
From 42 subs.
Yeah, now I can blow my fucking transmission for you guys.
You have that Turbo 400 sitting around, but you need another daily, dude.
Yep.
Hey, the Subi's calling your name. Okay, now the couches are down here, so that's a good amount of room freed up. We just got those up there. That means I can put the top part of the toolbox again. All right, let's go check this out. So, this is what I got going so far. I'm liking it. Boom. So, clearly, got to do another 2 feet of plywood right here, and one more support on the wall, which is fine. Won't be too hard to do. And these need some more on them, but for the most part everything is pretty sturdy, but it's coming together pretty good. A little dusty, but that's fine. So I'm gonna do a little bit of organizing down there, move some stuff up here, just kind of like put everything against the wall, and get a broom, start sweeping this stuff out. And yeah, should be nice. Oh, and I have to grab the stuff from my car because I have like the end table, and I think I'm gonna put the fridge on this side, because if the fridge is on this side, then shelves can come out all the way over here pretty much. And even like over here, maybe even behind the couch, shelves everywhere for everyone. All the shelves. Alright, so obviously that's temporary. I just don't have my little entertainment center thing. I might even go as far as to put the TV on the ceiling and on like a swivel, so it's kind of up there, but I don't really want to have to look up at the TV. I don't know. Whatever, but it's there, it works. Use my hotspot for now until we get Wi-Fi. Got this little heater, which I actually like. I don't mind. I'm just going to keep it. I'm not even going to freaking return it, because it's silent and it heats a lot, and it's infrared, so it's very nice. Propane. And I think it runs, I don't even know how many hours it runs. It's a lot. Again, a huge shout out to Ronnie. Huge shout out to you guys. You guys got him to fucking 1K in a day. So, again, if you haven't yet, go subscribe. We'll be putting out some videos on his channel. And go comment on his channel and tell him what you'd like to see. Alright, well, I am going to be ending the video here today. Again, thank you guys for subbing to Ronnie. And if you are just seeing this video, or you just saw last video, maybe you missed the link or anything, you know, subscribe to Ronnie. We've been talking, we've been bullshitting today about a lot of like fun things that we can do. So expect cool shit at some point soon. So pretty much everything can go up there. The engines I'm gonna throw in the storage shop along with this shit, and all this wheels and all that stuff can go up there. Ronnie's out, and these two can go in the storage shop as well. This stuff can go up there. I want to set this up and put all these nice little hooks on there, you know, wherever I decide to put the table. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna, because if nothing's here, like nothing on the walls at all, I can have 2 cars in here, no problem. Side to side like this. Originally I want to do them like this, but I guess I really can't tell how I'm gonna be able to do this until everything is in here. Oh yeah, also the press is gonna go in the storage shop. Same with the same with this, for now at least. 1J block, 1J head also going to the storage shop. My point is, there's gonna be next to nothing down here besides 2 cars and a work table possibly. So yeah, should have room for 2 cars, no problem in here. Should be very good. I don't know, dude. The van just might fit in here. Like, if I really needed to fit the van in here, I think I could. I don't know, but looking a little bit bigger already. I know it is. It's looking freaking decent. So let me take you guys, you know. So I got a solid, like 2.5 feet to the stairs. We made them narrow as the safe space. A lot of people were telling me to put it back there. Problem with putting the stairs back here is that you lose loft space and you lose like this whole flat area, which flat walls, getting rid of a wall that's flat, you know, sucks, because the stairs being all the way over there, there's still a lot of wall right here. I'm compromising very little actual wall space by putting the stairs over there. Putting it here though, this table would have to be another 2 feet forward, so then my cars would be shit, you know what I mean, like, or my cars have to be, you know, you get it. It wouldn't work back there. That's why I didn't put them over there. Put them over here. We've been talking about this for days. So come up the stairs here. Like I said, gotta finish the railing, but you step to the side because, like I said, we gotta finish that. But doing pretty damn good over here. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching again. I can't say this enough. Thank you guys so much for sticking by and, you know, showing support when I'm going through all this bullshit, and on top of it, I'm sick and all that stuff. So it's like, and I've been sick for 4 days. I've had no days off. Maybe I'll have to take a day off. I don't know. But again, anyways, this isn't fucking sympathy hour. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Bunch of shit coming. just so many possibilities with this new shop. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Have a good friggin' day or what night, evening. Apparently I post at like 4 a.m. in Australia, so fucking have a good before morning, mates. Peace.